The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point riulak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Haba kershan yaka resolution baka sorkar kalawanra ban persha yaka jingti uranium hakani ke jala. UMLA ka UDP na West Shillong constituency uba polling do. Ulaong bangi don yaka dulir ka baklan ban pensisya yaka hoklong tera jongi. Bad yakani la soy hapedeng usnam khat khandai spa sau phnyo, bad khat khandai spa sau pupra, lingba ka jia soy yaka instrument of accession. Hapedeng ka sorkar India bad ki arpusan teliki hima khasi. Bad hakata ka dulir la don ka jingtho ka bakran syai baka sorkar India kamla bantuklar yaki katukan niteliki man bad kin yaide ka hoklong tera jongi bad kita ki kenthop yaka excise ka forest land water bad ki jingmi ki bami na kita baro. Ulapan kan mauru bahaus nam arjar sau haka porba ulong menteri sorkar lawanra haka jelang ka kenhun menteri sorkar ban yakran yakani kamat ban ailat ban le yaka experimental mining ya uranium Henry haka tukapor mau bat uba lambor malinyang kila tho show menteri rang ba haka tukapor ban ajing mud bahaka jaka ban yakran yakani kamat de ban pawat bani aswa ja ayu hakitu gi jaka bala don ka jingti uranium bat ka sorkar haka tukapor kala pha yaka kenhun bala yalam daka dibora marang bat kumjuru yaka kenhun jongka KSU bala yalam do uba Samuel Jerwa bat uba Hamlet Doling bakin lecha jadu guda ban pet dalaki khmat ja ayu hangtu.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, sir. I believe that brevity is the soul of wit. Mr. Chairman, first and foremost, I must applaud the Leader of the House for having brought this very important and resolution which we deem to be a historic event. And also, I would like to submit here a few thoughts which I believe can strengthen the resolution by incorporating one paragraph which will make sure that, as a wise man has once said, some doors are not meant to be closed. They are meant to be welded shut. Those doors require to be welded shut. And to do that, I think it is only important, vital, that we reflect on what we had learned while we were in college. John Seeley had said, political science without history has no roots. History without political science has no fruits. Sir, it is incumbent upon me to draw the attention of this House that we have a peculiar constitutional position as the Khasi community. The 25 Khasi states had acceded to India through the instrument of accession. However, at no point of time had these Khasi states ever signed the instrument of merger. The constitution that we swear by, sir, was adopted in 1949 and was made enforceable from January 26, 1950. But prior to that, between the years 1947 and 1948, 25 Khasi states had acceded to the dominion of India. There is a lot of difference between accession and merger. And I'd like to make a pointed reference to para 2 of the instrument of accession, which says, and I quote, "With the exception of the following 3 subjects, all the remaining administrative functions would be common with the central or provincial government under the terms of the standstill arrangement outlined in para 1 above." What are those exceptions, sir? Excise, forest, land and water rights, and the revenue derived therefrom. This is still a constitutionally valid document, sir. It is not, as has been interpreted, subsumed by the 6th schedule, because the rest of Meghalaya also have ADCs. We have the GHADC, we have the JHADC, we have the KHADC, but in respect of the 25 Khasi states, this was the arrangement, that their powers have been clearly defined, and the exceptions to those powers have also been defined here, sir. Excise, forest, land and water rights, and the revenue derived therefrom. I must therefore plead with the leader of the House the need that we incorporate this important historical event by incorporating the words, whereas the Khasi states had individually and collectively acceded to the dominion of India by signing the instrument of accession, which stated explicitly inter alia that certain rights shall be retained with them, including excise, forest, and land and water rights, and the revenue derived therefrom. Sir, not even the British had annexed the 25 Khasi states. They had administered these himas, never annexed them. I must also make a reference here, sir, to the fact that the Khasi states were also not princely states. We had 565 princely states across the country who enjoyed financial benefit through the privy purse till 1971, when it was abolished by the government led by Indira Gandhi. The Khasi states were not princely states. The Khasi states never signed the instrument of merger. The Khasi states only agreed to the instrument of accession. And these 25 states, if you look at the list, they also include, the last to sign was Nong Ston in 1948. Sir, between 1947 and 48, we had signed the instrument of accession, meaning the Constitution of India came later than the instrument of accession. And to say that this is, as leaders from the opposition have expressed, fear about force being applied, I would like to say here that this is a valid document which protects the rights of the people. In 2004, sir, a matter had been brought to the cabinet to consider experimental mining of uranium. As a member of the cabinet at that point of time, I and Ba Alambor Malyang at that point of time had written to the then chief minister, suggesting and demanding that instead of considering experimental mining, the government should organize a study tour of the areas where mining had taken place. And that team was led by the then health minister, Mrs. Deborah Marak. I remember Saidullah Nongrum was part of it. And student representatives of the KSU, led by Samuel Jerwa and Hamlet Dorling, had traveled to Jaduguda to see for themselves the conditions of people in and around that area. So I don't wish to prolong my submission, but let me say this, that while we might adopt this resolution, I still feel that we need to ingrain historical events that were part of our journey in becoming part of India. And that is, as I must stress, to make sure that we do not just close the door, we weld it properly, shut it forever. And that can only happen when the people realize that their forefathers had already executed an agreement which today should form the basis of, apart from the submissions made by the leader of the House and the leader of the opposition, let us incorporate these historical factors, because these are immutable truths that cannot be replaced, cannot be demolished, and will stand the test of time. We have stood firm on this matter for many, many years. I can only say that let us take the matter to its logical end by ensuring that we have a watertight case where we do not allow the exploitation of these mineral resources based, more importantly, on the history of the people and the land. Thank you.
Thank you, Pak. Now we have other speaker, Mayani Disira. You can take the floor now.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat ka mariang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpiang kan tau bon jat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the shanala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, em ko wi ko prom ko au khanai phi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกุลมั้งคนตอมฉันแน่ประการนี้ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลักพัก
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu cái gram mò tao đã bốn cái gram tem etir đi phi tao con đây nè
ya khi biểu ngài nên mà em khi mà vào đây tâm anh em già hết
em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu
Tapi ni perdi yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngaku ahi amalai.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga simple design gua ar. Dah hikai sebagai design mana je dia kan ya simple design.
Gini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kamu dah terang la duk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.